Order management. Let's get you in control with simplified order management. Managing orders today isn't just about getting things out the door. It's about doing it fast, doing it right, and staying ahead from purchase to payment. But spreadsheets, manual checks, and constant follow-ups, they slow you down, create confusion, delays, and frustration. Now imagine this instead: one dashboard that connects orders, inventory, invoices, and deliveries, all in real time. No gaps, no guesswork. That's what the farm-to-plate order management system delivers. It's smart, it's scalable, and yes, it's easy to use.
It all starts with the dashboard. Log in, and right away, you see the full picture: sales orders in progress, packing queues, shipments waiting to go, invoices and payments, tracked live. No need to chase updates or message different teams. Whether you manage one store or 100 outlets, everything is visible by outlet, region, or entire network. You get instant clarity, and your team gets the confidence to act without delays.
Creating an order, fast and flexible. Creating a new order takes just minutes. Enter the product details, customer information, pricing, and delivery date, and you're done. Want to review it later? Save it as a draft. Need internal sign-off? Send it for approval right inside the system. It's simple, flexible, and fits how your team already works without changing your flow.
Fulfillment flow, from order to outbound. As soon as an order is approved, the system takes over. It generates packing slips, delivery challenge, dispatch documents, and the invoice, all automatically linked. And if you're managing a franchise or multi-outlet network, you can assign dispatch from your central kitchen, warehouse, or direct supplier. You decide the flow, and the system adapts. Your team saves time, your process stays clean, no duplication, no rework.
Inventory integrated orders. This is where it gets even better. Your sales and fulfillment teams don't have to ask, "Is it in stock?" They'll know, because inventory and orders are synced in real time. What's in stock? What's already reserved? What's ready to ship? This reduces stockouts. It stops overbooking, and it removes the guesswork from every order.
Quotes, invoices, payments, all in one place. You don't need 5 different tools to manage quotes and invoices. From the same screen, your team can send a quote, convert it to an invoice, and track payments as they come in. Partial, full, overdue, it's all tracked. And if you're using accounting tools like Tally, the system integrates right in. Set up payment alerts, improve cash flow visibility, and reduce billing errors, without adding extra work.
Who's this built for? Our system is made for how real businesses run. For quick service and franchise brands, manage outlet-level orders, centralize dispatch, and sync stock across all your branches. Even automate inter-store transfers. For distributors and wholesalers, handle large purchase volumes, set vendor-specific pricing, and track orders by territory. For D2C and packaged goods brands, auto-reserve stock, generate instant fulfillment alerts, and track orders down to the doorstep. For agriculture and export supply chains, attach quality certificates, bundle export documents, and trace delivery status across borders. This isn't a one-size-fits-all tool. It's built for the way you operate.
For global teams, yes, it's ready for you too. Running teams across regions? No problem. The platform supports multiple languages, user roles, and regional tax configurations. It exports reports in Excel or PDF. And it works beautifully, whether your team is on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Everyone sees what they need to see, from anywhere, at any time.
Built-in intelligence, not just reports. This isn't just a place to store data. It's built to help you make better decisions. Track your on time, in full performance. Spot aging orders before they affect delivery. See which SKUs cause delays. Forecast by customer, by product, or by region. You're not just reacting, now you're planning ahead with precision.
So what would your day look like if orders didn't require chasing? If your team could fulfill faster, with 0 errors? If everything just worked, clearly, cleanly, in one place? With Farm to Plate, you simplify your operations, scale confidently, and stay fully in control. Let's take 15 minutes. We'll walk you through your workflows, map it to your team's setup, and show you how quickly you can go live. Book your free demo today.